Okay, here in my picture, I painted in 2001 in Lynn,
Mm-hmm.
and I learned how to paint these pictures and I was in Philippines for 6 months in school, and then I tried the first time to paint this picture. That's all I have for that memory, like my souvenir for the first time I have it. Because in Philippines that no money. I learned to paint in Philippines because no money. I cannot find the money, only the picture I can paint for sale to the Philippine people. One piece is 100 peso for Philippine money. For in learn in school over there for 6 months before come to US. Postcard painting I make in Thailand for American. They send to the family.
Okay, Papa, you want to see it?
Yeah, let's see.
Here.
That's alright.
I changed the color.
No, the color you can change. You can change to the brick color. You know
Yeah, I
the
put the
stone
brick
color.
color.
Yeah. Okay, that's alright.
Open it. Papa, you like it?
Yeah, I like that.
You like the color?
Yeah.
Which one better? This one or this one?
No, no different. This one because the background, the sky. That's why it come like that.
Mm-hmm.
But that's alright, Lisa.
Look, high.
Okay, look, okay.